and you can update any apps from here according to your needs. Then if you wish, you can select all the apps here by tracking this technique and update all the apps at once. So if you select and click here, all the apps will start getting updates. So you can see here that the apps are getting updates. Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. I am also well. So now I will show you how you can easily update the apps on your device. At time out apps don't work or are not updated, and we don't even understand which apps need to be updated. So after watching the video, you will be able to check which apps need to be updated on your device, and you can update them very easily. So without further ado, let's start the video. For this, first you have to open the Play Store app on your device, because the apps of Android phone are usually installed from the Play Store, and those of you who use iPhones can install the apps from the Apple Store or iOS Store. So from here you have to click on the profile icon on the top right, then click on the option called Manage Apps and Device. After that, you will get several options here such as this device, update available, game, and RC. So here is the option called this device, where you can see all the apps installed on your device. So the next option is update available. Through this, you can see which apps are not updated on your device, and you can update any apps from here according to your needs. Then if you wish, you can select all the apps here by tracking this technique and update all the apps at once. So if you select and click here, all the apps will start getting updates. So you can see here that the apps are getting updates. So if the apps on your device are not working or cannot work due to various problems and need to be updated, then in the case you can update them in this system. After that, if you don't need to update all the apps, and if you need to update any specific apps, then you can click on the specific apps and enter those apps and update them. So for your convenience, I am showing you how to update this Facebook app. For this, I will click on the Facebook app and click on the update button. Then that app will start updating. So if you like the video, then definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. And those of you whose device are very slow, not working, in fact with viruses, and there is a possibility of the device being hacked, you can watch the video on my YouTube channel. Videos on how to protect your device from being hacked and keep the device viruses free are given on my YouTube channel. Of course, you should remember that the name of our YouTube channel is Digital Pro Tips. If you go to YouTube or Google and search for Digital Pro Tips, the first channel you will find is our channel. So you will find any video you need there. So how did you like the video? Everyone please like and comment. If you like it, then definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page. Everyone will be well and healthy. Thank you very much to everyone.